they're just closer together. I wasn't sure how much I could bend those cables.
Oh, they're pretty flexible. Just don't crease them.
No, I didn't crease them. I just looped them.